So this is week 9.
We missed the eighth week due to the weather, and we added this top box for honey. So let's see how it is. It's pretty stuck today. Let it smoke, keep them calm. Lots of bees. Wow, they drew a lot of wax, guys. Wow. Don't come too close yet. I'm gonna take one out. It looks like there's wax. They filled it up. Wax on it. The outside is still empty on number 10, and a little bit drawn wax on these ones already on the outside. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. This one, that's all. The inside one had wax. The outside one, number 10, had nothing. Let's try another one here. Number 9. They have lots of room, so wow, this one looks pretty heavy already. Lots of nectar in there. Lots of it. They're bringing in stuff. This one, number 9, you got a half on both sides. And I put this 2 weeks ago. Number 8. Looks like 3/4 full now. Wow. That one is almost full there. My God. I don't know if that's got anything. Lots here. Pollen. Lots of honey. Still not closed in. So say 3/4. 3/4 on number 8. That's just from 2 weeks. I don't know if that's normal. Well, they're working good. This one's the same thing. Number 7.
Going a little bit crazy.
Yeah, they're getting wild. The bottom one's completely full, I think. Wow. Excellent. Look at that. And they drew all the wax too, so that's a lot of work. That's pretty cool, man. You okay there?
Yeah.
Want some smoke? Yeah. Number 6. Okay, number 6 is pretty full too, guys. So I'm not gonna go anymore. They look good. They got enough work to do here for this week, I think, but I'm gonna need another box. I'm gonna need another box of them. I don't have it. Gotta get some next week from them. Wow, it's so loud in there.
Are you closing it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna close this one up. Wow, put that shit on the ground. already. Gotta use the hangers. I didn't use it again.
Look at them go.
Yeah, they don't like being disturbed. Everything gently. They're good. I think it's this side. It's always the south side for some reason. They like the south side better because it's warmer. Let's get some smoke here. Look at them go. The smoke makes the whole difference. Look at this. Number 10. So it should be the same roughly from my experience when I open these up. The outsides are always a little bit behind. But that's normal, I guess. That's the way they do it. Let's get some more smoke. Let's crack this bottom one open. The other one's been full for about 3 weeks already. So I got a big full one here on top. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick it up because I didn't put no handles on this. That's a good thing I forgot to do.
It's probably going to be heavy.
I know. No, it's not.
Don't squish none of them.
Wow, look at this. This honey one is completely full. I'll just do one here and do one on the outside there. I'll do number 10 and number 1 just to check it out.
Is that the honey there?
This is completely honey, guys. Not capped. Look how wide it is.
Wow.
This one's almost all capped there, guys. Let's put the hanger up. Might as well use it.
Oh, that's for that?
Yeah, see that? It's pretty cool. You know? Some smoke going here. Okay, that one there is completely capped on both sides. I can see it from up here. So, lots of bees. This outside one is the same, but it's completely full. So it's completely full, guys. As you can see here, look at that. Wow, look at that.
The queen wouldn't be there, right?
No, the queen no, because I got the excluder right down there. And and it's completely full of bees. I got, from what I started, like there's 10 times more bees here now than ever. So I'm gonna close it up, guys. No point in me doing anything here. They got, I think 50% of this top box full, maybe a little bit more, maybe 60. So let's put it back, let's close it up. I got the seminar next weekend, so they're gonna let me know what to do for the winter, and I'm gonna ask them if I need to get this honey out, because I got a lot of honey, man. By next week, I think I'd have to put another box up. I'll let them know, which I have to buy. So it'll be pretty cool though. If I can extract 2 boxes, these 2 boxes will be full of small, medium honey, and a large full of honey. By next week, I think it should be full. Close 80% anyways. Let's put number 10 back. Everything looks good here. Not going to open up anymore. I think we're good. Let's get some This is completely full of honeys, man. I'm amazed about all the honey. I mean, all the bees that I got now. It's outrageous.
How many did you start off with?
5,000. The nuke was 5,000. In a
You probably have 10,000 now, no?
Oh, no, way more than
Way
that.
more?
I say about 50,000.
You probably have 200 flying around you right now.
Oh yeah, lots there. Okay, let's close her up. Let's not bother them. They're doing good. Oops. Forgot the box.
So it looks good, lots of honey.
Yeah, it looks good. So I put this up here. I don't know why, but I do it. I used to feed them like that.
Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave them below. See you next week for week 10, right?
Correct, yeah, week 10, yeah. I keep this plywood up here, keep them out of the sun a little bit. Kind of helps them out a little bit, I think. I don't think they like that heat. Then eventually I'll start taking it out once the weather starts cooling down, even the nights, but kind of helps them a bit, I think. I don't like the heat that much. Anyway, we go. Nice job there.